What's your name?
Jamie.
And Jamie, what did we talk about during Bother Me Wednesday?
During Bother Me Wednesday, we talked about anxiety.
Was there anything that you learned about anxiety that could be useful?
Probably like the breathing techniques.
How can anxiety be helpful?
Planning like for the future.
What is anxiety?
You worry a lot and like you like overthink a lot.
What's bad about anxiety?
Probably like thinking you're like not good enough. Like when you have anxiety, you could have a panic attacks.